craft beer has exploded in popularity, with thousands of breweries worldwide creating unique and flavorful brews. Beer lovers embrace the creativity and diversity of the craft beer scene. Now, a new player is emerging in the world of brewing artificial intelligence. AI is poised to revolutionize the way beer is made, from developing recipes to ensuring consistent quality. Imagine a world where your beer is brewed specifically for your tastes. A world where AI helps brewers create the perfect pint. AI is not here to replace the art of brewing, but to enhance it. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can help brewers understand the complex chemical reactions that occur during brewing. This technology can identify trends, predict outcomes, and ultimately help brewers create better beer. The possibilities are endless, and the future of beer is looking very exciting. AI is transforming the brewing process from grain to glass. One of the key areas where AI shines is data analysis. Brewing involves numerous variables, from water chemistry to fermentation temperature. AI algorithms can analyze this data to identify patterns and insights that humans might miss. This analysis can help brewers optimize their processes, leading to greater efficiency and consistency. AI can also help brewers develop new and innovative recipes. By analyzing a vast database of beer styles, ingredients, and customer preferences, AI algorithms can generate unique flavor combinations. Imagine an AI suggesting a hint of mango to complement the citrus notes of a pale ale, or recommending a specific type of yeast to enhance the aroma of a stout. AI empowers brewers to experiment with new ideas and push the boundaries of beer. Imagine walking into a brewery and ordering a beer tailored specifically to your taste buds. This dream is becoming a reality thanks to AI-powered personalization. AI algorithms can analyze your flavor preferences, dietary restrictions, and even your social media activity to create a beer that is uniquely you. This level of customization is set to revolutionize the way we experience beer. The process is simple, yet innovative. You could answer a few questions about your favorite flavors or even rate different beers you've tried. The AI then processes this information to create a flavor profile tailored to your preferences.